Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to fix this 43-inch Philips TV, model 32PHT4503/12. The TV powers up, we have sound and backlight, but the panel is only displaying a blank blue screen. This type of fault usually comes down to either the T-con board or the panel itself. Let's pull the back cover off so we can track down the issue. Warning: safety first. TV repair can be dangerous. Do not attempt if you are not experienced. Please remember that power supplies contain large capacitors that can hold a lethal charge even when unplugged. Work at your own risk. This TV doesn't have a separate T-con board, it's integrated into the panel, which means the fault lies within the panel itself. Let's take a closer look. We're looking at a Samsung panel here, model LSC320AN10-H02. Let's see if we have 12 volts at the fuse. Yep, the fuse is good. I'm going to check the voltages across the panel board. AVDD, VGH, and VGL voltages are missing. Aside from the 12 volts, all other voltages are missing. So, the DC-DC converter is either dead or it's shutting down because of a short somewhere. I'm going to check the CKV lines to see if they're shorted together. There we go, we have a short between CKV2 and CKVB2. Since they are shorted, we'll have to isolate them. This is a diagram of the CKV lines, as they are connected to this panel. I'm going to go ahead and cut the shorted lines to isolate the fault. Warning: due to the complexity and risk of irreparably damaging the panel, it is recommended to call a specialized service for diagnosis and repair. This is a precision technique that requires expertise and involves delicate handling of the panel. In many cases, if the fault is extensive or repair methods fail, the only viable solution is to replace the entire TV panel, which can be expensive. Because the CKV lines are mirrored, on both the left and right sides, it's basically a guessing game. We'll have to pick a side and hope we find the short on the first try. We'll start by cutting one side and see if that clears the short. It's not the most scientific method, but it's the only way to do it on these panels. I'll start with the left side because it seems easier to cut. If it doesn't work, we'll have to reroute and cut on the right side. Unfortunately, the short is still there. The DC-DC converter is still not outputting any voltage. That means I cut the wrong side. We have to reconstruct the traces on this side before we try cutting the other side. Now I will cut on the right side CKV2 and CKVB2. We're finally seeing voltage at the panel board. The DC-DC converter is working correctly now. The panel is back to life. The TV is working perfectly now. I'm going to leave the TV on for a stress test to make sure everything is stable. The final test. Image is back. I'm really happy with the result. Even if you see some ghosting or shadows in the video, the picture is crystal clear in person. The shadows in the footage are just camera artifacts. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.